for you to comment ako and to submit your affidavit. Ano pong mangyayari, sir?
Sasagot kami. We will answer.
Sir, ano po yung lalamanin itong sakit?
Sasagutin namin yung bawat issue na nilabas doon. Everything that happened was within legal bounds. Lahat naman yan according to law. Kaya, it's actually the complaint itself. Parang na-weirdan ako kasi hindi naman committee report. But why the haste? Why not wait for the committee report? Kasi that's a committee investigation. What was contained was a chairman's report. So that's a little strange. But anyway, we'll answer it.
Sir, do you think this will be enough for Senator Ivy once na you submit your explanation?
Pagtapos ng election, tama na yun. Kasi parang in-aid lang yan. Parang gusto lang talaga makakuha ng publicity tungkol sa election. Ano tayo magagawa?
Sir, yung kay Pulong po, meron din daw pong complaint na final po sa parang
Friends.
Yeah, I was told about it.
There's also CCTV, but Pulong is saying na baka daw fake news.
Yeah, we will look into it. We'll let the prosecutors handle it. Hindi naman ako nagdidictate ng gagawin ng prosecutor. We give enough leeway and very transparent ang process dito sa DOJ.